So in this video we will learn how you can get the more information about the device that user is using your app on. This is a very different kind of video. You can pull out the information like the user who is using your app has which smartphone, whether it's Android or iOS, which Android operating system does it running on, or the iOS. Is it a tablet or a smartphone, or is it a TV? You can also determine the serial number, the brand name, and the model, etc. Uh, these all things are very helpful if you are building an app that require some kind of data related to the device. So first of all, create a React Native project and open it on Visual Studio Code. And for this video I have open three different simulators. The first one is iPhone 12 Pro Max iOS simulator. The second one is an iPad Air 4th generation, and the third is the Android emulator. So let me just minimize this iPad and the Android emulator. We will pull those when we are finished with the coding. So for this you need to import one important component API. It's called platform. And in return, first of all, we will be determine the operating system of the user device. Platform dot OS. Let me also provide some style over here. We'll be creating a style called value. The next one is OS version, the API level. For that you need to write platform dot version. I'll just copy this much. The next one is to determine whether the device is TV or not. Is TV. Platform dot is TV dot to string to convert it into string. The next one is to determine whether it's an iPad or not. So first of all, we need to provide a condition, because if it's an iOS device, then only it can be iPad. So first of all, platform dot OS iOS. Is pad platform dot is pad dot to string. You also need to close this. So the next one is constants. uh, Constant contains various information like brand, model name, sorry for this, like brand, model names, API. It also contains API level, the version, etc. You will find lots of information about the device, like manufacturing number also. JSON dot stringify platform dot constant. So this will basically provide multiple type of information regarding the device that user is using. Now let me just provide value as a style. Say font weight bold, padding let's say 5. Let's say margin bottom let's say 10. Let me just save this. Let me just save this. Okay, we have made some mistake. Mm, okay, over here it's a spelling mistake. Now let me just save it. Let me just clear this. So as you can see, we have multiple type of information. First of all, the OS. Uh, the simulator is iPhone 12 Pro Max and running on iOS 14.3. The OS version is 14.3. Is it TV? No, it's not a TV. It's not the iPad. And there are some constant force touch available. Is testing, whether we are testing this in developer mode. The system name is iOS, React Native versions, and OS version 14.3. Let me just pull out the iPad. As you can see, OS is basically iOS. OS version is also iOS 14.3. Is it TV? No. Is it pad? This time it's true because it's an iPad. And just like the iPhone, we have constants over here. Let me just open the Android simulator over here. So as you can see, the OS is Android this time. OS version is 28. It's not a TV, and because it's an Android device, this will not work because we have explicitly specified that if it's an iOS then only, because if it's an iOS then only it can be iPad. We have serial number, release, versions, fingerprint, UI mode, testing, model, etc. So basically this is how you can gather all the information about the device that user is using your app on. Most of the time you don't need this much amount of details, but it depends on the app that you are creating. So thanks for watching this video.